In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use MSI Afterburner on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are trying to run MSI Afterburner in conjunction with Roblox, you might have noticed that most of the times, Roblox will simply refuse to run if MSI Afterburner is detected on your PC. This can be easily resolved, so you can still run MSI Afterburner and use the overclocking presets that you have while still playing Roblox. So to do this, first, if you have tried to open Roblox once and it didn't run, it's important to make sure that there is no process of Roblox running. So open Task Manager and make sure that you end any tasks related to Roblox. So to do this, right click the Windows icon, go to Task Manager, and in here you can search for Roblox. If you see anything in here, click on the process. So for example, let's say this is Roblox, you click on it and then end task. With this done, now you can proceed. Open the RivaTuner statistics server. Usually this will be at the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. So you open this or just look for it on Windows search, and inside of the RivaTuner statistics servers, choose the option to add. In here you will be adding the Roblox executable. If you need to find this, then just right click the process on Task Manager and then open File Location if it is still open. Once Roblox is added onto this list, you will have to select it, so Roblox Player Beta.exe, and you have to set the application detection level to none. By doing this, it isn't going to be strictly monitored by Afterburner, which means that you can still run MSI Afterburner and it won't conflict with Roblox. So all that you have to do is add to this list on the RivaTuner statistics servers, and then as an exception, make sure that the application detection level is set to none, and this will allow you to run them together without any problems. I hope I was able to help you on how to use MSI Afterburner on Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.